Hi there, Marty Waters here, a retirement success coach from Denver, Colorado, and I just wanted to share with you some of the valuable benefits and insights I'm getting from Mike Dillard's Richer Everyday program. Being in the world of financial matters and helping my clients with retirement savings and investing strategies, I'm personally striving to learn and invest in myself about money and the psychology of it. Or in other words, why do people do what they do with their money? I'm including myself, right? What I'm finding so profound to Mike's course compared to the many others I've taken on this subject is this simple to understand three-phase framework he guides us through. We start off with the neurochemistry factors and then on to the subconscious and then of course the strategy. And I personally have realized I'm missing the first two phases and why I can never seem to get to the next level financially. Also, I've noticed these first two phases is what most people are missing and what makes this course so unique and powerful. Also, Mike really dives deep into his own journey of money struggles and the lessons he's learned, warts and all. And while these stories were probably pretty tough for him to relive, it adds a true touch of vulnerability and realness that most online teachers and leaders don't reveal. These lessons that I'm learning not only teach you how to avoid falling into the same financial traps we've all probably fallen into, but also how to unwire the bad money habits we were taught and rewire a new relationship with money along with an incredible cast of experts he's brought on board who specialize in, well, getting richer every day, right? So I highly recommend investing in this course if you are in the vicious make it and spend it cycle he talks about, because it truly is destroying your hopes for any financial freedom without you even knowing. Or if you, like me, have been struggling for years and can't figure out why, your answer is in this program. Thanks, Mike, for this extraordinary and valuable course that you put together for all the entrepreneurs out there, as I think this will be your masterpiece of work, my friend. Thanks so much. Take care.